Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today I'm going to tell you guys how to pick a good cucumber. Pick a perfect cucumber. A cucumber that's ripe and it's not overripe or it's not underripe. Just gets you that right delicious taste, that smell of everything of a cucumber. So I'm going to come right here. You could twist it. You could twist it when you harvest, or you could just cut it off. If you guys look right here and up close right here, you could see the lighter stripe green starting to come upward, right? This one is 3/4 way. We're gonna find, look, we're coming right here. You can see the colors already 3/4 of a way. But when you look on the top, look at the top, guys. It's dark green from the top. You see that? It's dark green, and basically it's not yellow. Once your cucumber is yellow, it's overripe. You left it on too long, basically, and it gets sour. And you lose the taste, and then your plant wastes so much energy from just overripening that one cucumber, when you could harvest that cucumber and the plant could use more energy into the smaller one. Picking a cucumber at the right time, guys, is when you want to make sure the lighter green starting to come up at least halfway. It's a perfect time when to pick your cucumber. Check out the lighter green so you guys see how lighter green is. Alright guys, so we're gonna got a little cutting board here. It's like the kids one. So I just wanted to show you guys how it looks inside, and to prove and show you guys. Look at this. Now that's perfect. You can literally see the juice off of it right there. See that? That's the juice right there. So this is a juicy cucumber. Perfect cucumber, guys. Let me show you something right here. And I wish you guys could smell this. For everyone who's been growing their cucumber, you guys know when you harvest your cucumber from the garden, the taste and the smell is delicious. So look at that. A perfect cucumber. I wish you guys could have smelled this. Perfect juicy cucumber all the time. Pick your cucumber like this, lighter stripe coming up halfway. At least halfway with the lighter stripe. That'll give you the best juicy delicious cucumber all the time. So perfect cucumber. We can't let this go to waste. This is the first time I'm eating on camera, so it's like a food commercial right now, guys. But it's really delicious. It's tasty, and cucumbers are really healthy to your diet. It helps you lose a lot of unnecessary water. Alright guys, so I apologize about this, but I have to eat this cucumber in front of you guys to show you that, how delicious it is. I wish you guys could smell this. So guys, remember, dark green from the top, lighter green, not yellow, a lighter green color coming up, and you see the inside, juicy delicious cucumber. So this is how you pick the perfect cucumber all the time. Thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. Hopefully this video is helpful, and if you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. We're all about growing a better home garden together, guys, and you guys could learn a lot. So you guys could learn a lot of tricks from me and get some awesome tips. Check in my playlist. I have a lot of video, guys. For everyone too who's been watching and supporting me, thank you guys so much, and have a great weekend. Hopefully I'll put in some more shorts video, and you guys will see. And then I got my watermelon coming up. I'll show you guys how I'm pruning that and how I'm getting that going.